Good morning. As you can see, that is the project that I was working on. It was the Triang Transcontinental Canadian Pacific logo that I changed. I tried to change into a C38 from New South Wales Railways. That ran from the 40s into, I think, the 60s, 70s era before they converted to diesel. But yeah, I didn't have a C38, and I did read in the literature from Triang that this model was made to fill two markets, the Canadian market and the Australian market. This was supposed to be some kind of a facsimile of the C38, and was marketed as such. It came in the black colour. Ostensibly the C38s were green, and a different green of that too. It was more a limey, brighter green. And, anyway, enough of that one. I've recently purchased the Lima version. Good old Lima had a crack at producing a C38 model, which isn't 1970s. It's not a bad attempt. It's a lot more accurate than obviously the Triang. But the only thing that's missing from this is the Westinghouse pump, I suppose they call those pumps that usually fitted to the outside of the logo to move the I'm not too sure whether they move water or steam to circulate it back through the boiler. But anyway, mine's missing, so I'll have to find one from somewhere. But there we are. This one's in very nice condition. Just recently purchased it. I've made a few purchases lately, but this is the one that I'm most happy with. You can see the lining is in pretty good condition actually. There's barely a nick. Very slight nick there, you can see. But a bit untidy and in a few areas, but not too bad for 1970s. And we have the New South Wales Railways logo at the time. And here we have the tender. Tenders on these are wrong. This is just another tender from another model that they've used to just fill the gap. They didn't go the whole hog in making a uniquely C38 tender. All that detail there's way too much for what the conventional tender had. But anyway, you live with that. Also, the rear of the ladder's wrong. It should be over a bit more to the left, and there's way too much detail on there as well. But better than nothing, as they say back in the old days. Anyway, I thought I might give a demonstration on how good this runs. I have serviced it, so it does run well. So there's the headlight. Here we go. Very nice detail, and the Valkyrie is not that chunky, very silver. But you get that. I mean, the technology of the time is the model making back in the 70s is nowhere near what it is today. I'll just put her up to top speed so you get an idea of how she made it. There we go. One more lap. Slow it down, see. Those carriages came with another New South Wales diesel set that I've got. Except for the centre one, I can't remember what set that came out of. I just wanted to run 3 carriages, so I stuck it in the middle. So she's pretty smooth. I keep clunking into my toolbox behind me. Yeah, there you go. Lima made some carriages back in the 70s. Railways of Australia. This one I think is a Duef. And there's the 3rd Railways of Australia. But I just thought run 3 because it looks a bit more convincing. And not a bad looking attempt of a C38. Anyway, I hope you found this informative. I'll catch up with you soon. See you later.